Well, folks, it's time to kick it old school. So you can feel cool.
Hello everybody and welcome to Makistoys. Now today I'm going to be doing some crazy art clear school glue, and I'm going to put a little tiny bit in the cup. That's a little tiny bit. And then in here I have my mixture of borax and water. This is how I used to do it, and the reason is that I'm going to be making both the baking soda version of this and also the borax version to show you the differences between the two, both once it's made and also the storage of it. As you know, that the crazy art takes a long time to activate with borax and water. And as I said that, it activates. What do you know? Oh, wait. It's doing what it normally does. It looks like it activates, but it breaks. I just gotta do this a couple more times and it'll hold. Man, this stuff is sticky. Well, that's as much as I'm getting out of here. So this is the crazy art with borax. Well, okay, now the second part. This is going to be just out of focus crazy art. A little bit of with a little bit of food coloring, because airplanes, you know what I mean. No. Food coloring, perfect. And baking soda and water from Starbucks, because that's where you get baking soda and water, right? a little bit. So this is the crazy art with the baking soda and water. And this one back here is the one without baking soda and water. This is the borax one. And this is the baking soda one. On like a drop where you hold it. The borax one is so much more like, yes, slimier because they're both slimes. But the whole point of this is you can see both of these. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them in Ziploc bags. Each one's going to get marked. So this one's going to be the date. So this is the February the 21st. And this is, oh, you can't even see that. Oh no. So marked right there, and then it's gonna get marked with a borax. Little thing for borax. And there's already some like little stuff that's been picked up, but so when you see this video, it'll probably be past the 21st, well, because it definitely will be. I'm gonna do the same for this one. And then in a couple of days, or a week, or 2 weeks, depending on how many I'm gonna do, you'll see what the storage is, because this is recommended proper storage, is putting it in a Ziploc bag rather than a Tupperware, and you'll see what, like, you know, what the difference between the two is. And then we'll just put the baking soda one inside of the baking soda bag. But I think I'm going to do like a whole bunch of these, like, to show you what the different, like, how long each different made slime stores for, and if anything happens in the, you know, while waiting for it to be stored. So yeah, so check in for updates. If something goes weird earlier, I'll put an update video, but otherwise it'll be like this.